If your outlets aren't compatible with modern plugs like USB chargers, upgrading to combination outlets can totally change the game for your home. So, first off, check the amps your current outlets support, because modern devices often need at least 15 amps to work right without tripping. Next, think about where you use your devices most, like the kitchen, living room, or bedroom, and prioritize those spots for USB combo outlets. When you're shopping, look for outlets with built-in USB ports that support fast charging, so you're not stuck waiting forever for your phone or tablet. Make sure the outlets have safety features like tamper resistance and overload protection. Safety is key, you know? If you're not super comfy with electrical stuff, it's cool to call a pro electrician to install them safely and up to code. Also, consider how many devices you usually charge at once and pick outlets with multiple USB ports if needed. Remember, swapping out outlets can actually save you from messy extension cords and power strips everywhere. Lastly, keep in mind that some combo outlets come with smart features that let you control charging with an app. Pretty handy if you want to be tech savvy. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outlet upgrades is picking low quality or cheap combination outlets that don't last long or could cause electrical issues. Always go for trusted brands and check reviews. Another common problem is ignoring the electrical load capacity. If your circuit can't handle extra USB charging, it might trip breakers or damage devices. A quick fix is asking an electrician to check your panel and possibly upgrade it. The third issue is poor installation, like not grounding the outlet properly or wiring it backwards, which can lead to shocks or fires. The best way to avoid this is hiring a licensed electrician who knows the local codes and standards. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place that helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who can do these upgrades right. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to find new work and grow their business without all the hassle of marketing themselves.